How's it going, everybody? Gabe here from the Hawaii Institute of Self-Reliance. Welcome back. Mahalo for watching. This video is a response video to a video that I was tagged in by Matthew at Life in the Taiga. He's in Alaska making bushcraft and survival videos. I will provide a link to that video that I was tagged in the description box. Go check him out and subscribe. Pretty cool guy. Thank you, Matthew. And at the end of this video, I will tag several other YouTubers. So what is this video about? Okay, so what is your cooking set? Your pots and pans, what you use while out in the wilderness to make a meal or cook some tea or stuff like that. Well, in the jungle, you got to keep it light, compact, and simple. So mine basically just consists of several items. First, my cup. I can cook in this. I can use this as a bowl for soup. I can use it for coffee, for tea, and I don't need a lid for it. It folds up real nice because I don't need a lid. It goes like that on my 40-ounce non-insulated clean can, and I could cook in this if I wanted to. But 40 ounce of water is pretty much EDC. Every day I drink about this much water, so this is definitely what I would take just to go, you know, cooking a short meal while hiking by the coast or something. 40 ounces of water, clean can right here. You know, clean can works great. They're solid for the price, and there you go. Very compact right there. Next up is my cooking pot. This is a Zebra. I believe it's 14. There's like 3 sizes that Zebra pots usually come in. And I own several Zebra pots. And I've used Zebra pots for about 10 years. I used to manage a Thai restaurant, and Thai people use Zebra pots all the time. And just recently, in the past 5 years, I started cooking in them because I didn't realize it until I got into like bushcraft and survival, you know, more in depth, that you could actually cook in them. So I'm like, oh cool, you know, I've been using them for, you know, 10, 15 years. So anyway, this is the one that's a compact. This is there's several different kinds of Zebra pots. It's compact. It's got a locking lid, right? And I can lock it like that. And there's a lid, comes off. Perfect. And there's a handle on the side, and it locks. It's awesome. You can store your uncooked rice in here. You can put your sandwiches in here. You can put, you know, tea. I put all sorts of stuff just to, you know, when I go backpacking or something, to make everything really compact, or hiking or whatever. So here's the bowl that it comes with, or plate, you call it. It fits real snug in there. It's really nice. And I can cook, you know, for myself and a couple other people. It's pretty nice with this. You know, I can make, you know, 3-4 cups of coffee. I really like this. I mean, you can tell I've been using it a lot. The Zebra pot's really awesome. So, you know, this little setup, cheap. I think they're like $30, $35. It's stainless steel. All this stuff is stainless steel. I'm not going with the super lightweight. I don't really need it. In the jungle, things get beat up real quick, and I would just damage stuff. So I'm not gonna, you know, if I was to get this in, let's say titanium or something, it would be like at least twice as much or something, you know. But no big deal. Simple, easy, compact in the jungle, and there you go. That's my cooking set that I would take hiking, camping, backpacking, whatever, really. I mean, I would add maybe a couple other things if I was to go with, you know, maybe a group of people. I might add my bigger Zebra pot. I've got the bigger one that everybody likes to hang. Okay, so yes, when I was younger, back in the day, I used to manage a Thai restaurant. I worked my way up from chef, you know, all the way to the bottom to assistant manager. So, you know, I worked pretty hard, and I learned some Thai, and I want to kind of refresh some of my my Thai and work on it, and, you know, teach you guys maybe a little bit. And I'm going to butcher it, of course, but here goes. Pom bin naklang, I'm a gangster. Pom bin tamluit, I'm a police officer. Pomben tamlut, yut yai kayap. I'm a police officer, freeze or I'll shoot you. Or basically. And there's some other ones, but anyway, I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. I want to thank Matthew for tagging me in what is your camp cooking set. So this is a pretty cool video. I had fun making it. Check out Matthew, and I'll provide a link, like I said, in the description box to his channel. And people I want to tag, okay, no big deal if you can't do it. I want to tag Black Rifle Survival. You know, if you've already done it, no big deal. I'm just gonna basically tag everybody that's a YouTuber. Let's see, the Preppers, Bunker Outdoors, Irish Zombie Nation, Humble Trekker. Go check these guys out. Pretty cool guys. And let's see, who else? Of course, Living Survival and Prepared Mind 101 and Wingman, or no, I think Wingman was already tagged. Some of the bigger channels, if you want to show what you know, take camping and you cook with. Okay, I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. Thank you for the like. Make sure you comment, subscribe, check out all those channels that I mentioned, and give them a subscribe as well, or subscribe to their channels, please. Now, beautiful day in Hawaii, awesome. Thank you for the comment. Make sure you hit the bell symbol to get notifications for when I upload a video. You can watch it and tell me what you think. And until next time, hello.